Hello, hello. Hello guys, sorry I'm late. Sorry I'm late. Okay, let's dive straight into it. Yesterday what I was looking for, it was a short, okay? I was looking to have a short today, but unfortunately that's not gonna be the case today because we already reached the target, you see? We just reached it just now, okay, like you can see. So yeah, for that reason I can't take a trade. We could expect a rejection from here, taking some longs, but it's not a high probability trade. It's not the high probability trade you can take. Uh, it can play out though. Don't get me wrong, it can play out. Ugh. 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 It can play out, but it's not the ideal idea. It's not the highest probability idea. You see. So for those reasons, most likely I'm not gonna take it. Obviously, and yeah, continuation lower, maybe. Let me take a. Uh, let me take. Okay, monthly. We still bearish. Okay, we still have this to go for, which look nice. But I don't know. I don't know. Now things getting serious. Let me see. Weekly. What we have? Okay, weekly we have this weekly swing high. So here a place we could potentially continue higher from. So this is a critical place because from here we either can continue higher or lower. Okay, if we have a closer below this, we would expect maybe next week price will continue lower. If we have like a price, we see the price like uh, swept when we took previous this week kind of low end price start doing some weird thing like it want to continue higher, it doesn't show us that it want to continue lower. That's a good sign that we might be want to continue higher. Okay, so what do we have today is that, yeah, you can see all this hour it prices keep dropping. So most likely it's just gonna keep dropping right here. Okay, yesterday trade was here, let me see. Whoa. So this is yesterday trade. Okay. Here. 115. That's not realistic. Just want to check that out. يعني. So yeah, we're gonna take a screenshot of this. Uh, we're gonna write down our thought. So yeah, I'm assuming price will just keep dropping because what we did here, you see, it did not show us any signs of higher prices. Like you can see. No sign that price really want to continue higher. Yeah, higher. Yeah, that's what I meant. Okay, I really like the short, but there is nothing to. Yeah, we have this, but it's very far. We don't have like a very close target. We just took this liquidity here. Yeah, we could argue with target this and that, but uh, yeah, that could be the case. But yeah, like you can see here, we had this big rejection. Then we keep dropping. So I wanna see a rejection from here. You see, a rejection from here. So that's why I don't wanna rush to taking shorts, even though we don't have a setup. Okay. If I wanna get involved, maybe next hour. Okay, no, not next hour because I was going to say maybe we should defer holding up. But yeah, most likely price is gonna keep dropping. If no, if I wanna get involved early on, I would love to see like just simple liquidity sweep before we check in this low. This, that, and this is gonna be my trade, but that was not the case. For that reason, I just not gonna check anything, and we're gonna watch the market. Add, add the fact, we do have news coming out after at 8:30 a.m. Okay, employment claim. I have a bad experience with this motherfucker. He fucked me over of my account with one single trade. Like, he took all my money with a single trade. It was not fair, but yeah, it is what it is. But I learned the hard way to not trade news. I already the first challenge I ever bought. It was a 6K account from the Fivers, and I was trading a news. I don't remember which one. Maybe it was 50i, I guess, or PME. I guess it was PME, and I was only risking like 2%, and I got fill out at minus 10%, or I don't remember, and I blew the account with one single trade. It was very painful, but it was painful, but yeah, it happened to me again after a very long time, because that happened when I just started trading, so 2 years ago, and it happened to me like I guess December. Yeah, it was December. Okay, it was December, and we just blow the account like yeah, things happen, man. Okay, okay, okay. Ta-da. Okay, price just dropping. So yeah, it's a good sign that we. Yeah, here, like we can see the 1 hour price just drop. Most likely this is gonna keep dropping. It's not gonna do like some crazy crazy move. You see, it's not and we are bearish after all, and the higher time frame show us bearish prices as well. So yeah، ناري شو ما نشرب حاجة وحدة يطلق على حاجة عشان بيجي الدراجة حتى ليها لا قنتها لا الجهة الأخرى لا الجهة الأخرى اه الله اخ 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 اوكي اوكي. So no trade today, just no trade. Yeah. قالك بيج فان عافاك شي 5 دولار، قالتها شيماء. راه انت اللي خاصك تطوري معنا، اللهم بارك فاند التريدر. رايك شتيها شايفين كتبتها؟ هي بيج فان عافاك شي 5 دولار. اه شي ما اختك. كوطاري شتيها؟ قراي كوطاري. كوطرت ما تعرفش نقرا انا، قريتها كوطاري. اه قول لي حد جايب في الهضره ياك. اخ Ugh. Ah, ضرع. Okay, we have in this slightly this rejection. ايش عندك؟ ايش يجيك يبدا شيء يجيك. Okay, this little rejection right here. News. It's already just 8 8 minutes into the hour, and we have this. Yeah, there is a lot of bearish momentum going on today. Oh. Okay. Price having this. خلاص كتاب ما كيسمعك. هاك. درتي لي هادشي. هي. So yeah, this injection, not for value up whatsoever. So yeah. So we just gotta keep watching. Uh, Nothing crazy yet. Uh, Even though this is a buy setup that gets in public, I don't I don't advise anyone to take it. It's not worth it, guys. You want to take the buy? You take responsibility. You take responsibility. Okay. قال لك في الراس كنتي تسويه. قالك سطعتي لهم راسهم قال لك كنتي تسويه. هذا كنتي Oh, we took previous كانت الهاي لا. Okay, price having this rejection. طبعا قطع. سن الله. Okay. Okay, okay. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, nothing that interesting. And we have news after uh 20 minutes. 20. I don't know digital on English. I still learning the numbers. Digital on numbers. Okay. Do we have a liquidity sweep from here? No. Nope, nope. Maybe price will create a fair value gap to continue lower from that. But why I will not take it is the fact I don't have like a clean target, you see. We took this, yes, we can assume we can go for this, right? But no, it still had a slight possibility to reject from here. So yeah, when we reach a major liquidity in the higher time frame, which in this case it's daily, so I don't want to do any stupid things and rush to take in trade. We could take the buy, you see, the buy, but the buy is weak, you see. It's so much weaker because like we can see, part failed, part failed, part failed, part yeah, possibly gonna give the rejection, but it will fail eventually, and we will go for a most likely we'll go for a previous monthly low. So if that's the case, next week is gonna be sample. It's gonna be just a candle push it lower for this. If we have a clean price action, of course. If price is gonna be doing some stupid shit, it's not gonna be that clean, obviously. Tomorrow we're just not gonna trade tomorrow because we have so many news. We have this news which I don't like. We just have so much news, okay? And this this too does have a does affect the market so much. And for those reasons, I will just take a step back and not gonna trade Friday, but we're gonna be here, of course. We're gonna uh, do our live. Okay, Monday. Next week we have the Monday. It's look nice. We can trade that. Tuesday we can trade that as well. Wednesday we can trade that as well. That's nice. Okay, Tuesday we always have this employment claim. It's pain in the ass, but it is what it is. Always this employment claim in this whole month we had employment claim Tuesday. We have it today. We had it the last week, and we have it next week. Come on, we will have okay. We have core PPI. So Friday and Thursday, it's gonna be a tricky day. Maybe Thursday if we have the setup after the implement claim, uh, 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 after the implement claim drop, and we have a nice trade. Maybe we'll trade that. If that's not the case, I will just take a step back and we're just gonna watch the market. We're gonna show up, of course, but no trade whatsoever. Friday, yeah, the same thing. Core PPI, you don't want to mess with that. It's so volatile and yeah. Friday we can for sure not trade that for sure. It's for sure. No one gonna trade this. Not me. Okay, let's come back where we're at. Okay, 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 okay. So, are he trying to make a trading boring as possible? Okay, but it's always gonna feel bad when you take a stop loss, and it's always gonna feel good when you take a take profit. But it's the human nature, you see. Uh, we as a trader, we just need to control our emotions. The emotion always gonna be there, you see, but you just have to control it. And yeah, that's what separates good traders from bad traders. And best luck بحكم كل okay, we have a market structure shift there. Uh, a fair value gap can form. Uh, Possibly this fair value gap will form. So this is a setup which I'm not taking. Not in a million years. Uh, could it could play out? Yes, sure. Will I check it? No, I won't. And news in 7 minutes. So yeah, well, but we're gonna do this. We're gonna check it here in with the paper trading. Uh, Paper trading. Help me. If you're watching, don't take this trade, please. انت بخلص لك بقلبي وانت بتخون الوداد من قلبك بحكم كل قلبي وانت بتخون الوداد من كل قلبك من كل قلبك. To be honest, I would rather trade the 15 minutes fair value gap than this trade. Which can play out though. Don't get me wrong. But news, maybe price will. I'm not sure to be honest. Maybe price will do something. I don't know to be honest. This kind of days it's tricky, you see. Especially when we have news, and especially when we have like the daily liquidity just been taken. It's been tricky, you see. So uh, yeah. I don't know what to say, but it is tricky here, and I don't want to take it. But is it something? I'll just So if this hold, it's a good sign. Next week we could look for buys. If this is not hold, we could go for this. So yeah, in both scenario, it's good. Okay, we having this rejection here. Nice. Are we gonna prevent this fair value gap from getting created? Let's see. Maybe. Oh, how many human? انت فين دون حب دايما. So yeah, my setup is that is this. This is my setup and it got created, you see. But I'm not taking it for the reason of the context. That's the only reason why I'm checking it. Yes, we could argue this we could hire, but no, it's not the highest probability trade. Add the fact we have news after 2 minutes. So 1.30. No, I'm bad at counting. So yeah, you can see it right here. So yeah, uh, yeah. We close this trade because I want to take a screenshot. The chart. Okay. قطار على فكرة من فرستاني شايف. طبعا شركات نتيسة. قطار على فكرة نتيسة المسد. You see? I rather take the shot. Okay. 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 I don't know why we didn't go for this. Price just this. Maybe we want to retrace to the fair value gap. That's a possibility. But yeah, and the shot make way more sense. You see, it's good player, but nah. Yeah, I mean it's obvious. من كل قلبك. Okay, we still have. So this candle it was a weak candle. Uh, news candle. We had this slight push to the downside. We had this rejection. Yes, most likely we go for stop losses. People that entered here will get stop out. We took this high, you see, rock. So that's the setup. This is the setup we want to take. This is this is better to be honest. It's not a good trade, but it's better than this. Yeah. So yeah, today we're just gonna watch the markets and relax. oh. Oh. اشتاق لقربك ليه اشتاق لقربك ليه Okay, go having this rejection weird. Okay. Are we gonna do this? Go for this? Or are we just gonna keep dropping lower? Okay. Oh, what a mess. I'm tired now. I'm feel sleepy, dizzy. Dizzy drops. Okay, we're still in our row, but it's not doing anything crazy. But for the reason it's keep pushing from here, it feel like Python want to go for this. Python want to go for liquidity. For the level you got. Maybe that's the case. Maybe I'm wrong. So when not certain, you just You don't do anything. I will take
Lucidão как один
Okay, 15 minutes left before we close this live. Uh, I'm tired. Mm. Yeah, price just consolidated. Yeah, price just consolidating, you see, and most likely to continue lower. Yes, I'm gonna say it again. Yes, we just took daily liquidity, but seems like we're not gonna get any rejection from here. Mm, price seems weak. Yeah, this is not a good idea. Yeah, there is this trade. I just saw it. This is a trade. You see, this is actually a nice trade. I mean, for this, but the RR it's not that good. This is a trade. You see, we could aim for this. Here you go break even. Okay, I like this one. This is better to be honest. We took no, we did not took anything, but yeah. After this close right here, I just saw it. Yeah, it's going, but I didn't take it because this seems like a consolidation. But yeah, price is going. When we hit this, we go break even. That's the trade because price seems like not interested to reach this. Uh, I wanna close below here. Can we get that? Okay, not good. Yeah, we would expect this to just bam bam. We have this equal lows. Bam bam. Here we go break even. Yeah, that's a trade actually. Maybe I should have took it, but I don't actually trade like this. This one was like a little bit tricky, and the price seems like it's consolidating. You see? Yeah, price seems like it's consolidating. That's why uh, I did not go for it. So yeah, and here, yes, go. Okay, now break even. Yeah, it's gonna go for take profit. No, not sure, but yeah, break even here. If you are in this trade, you go break even because no targets, no targets. But yeah, if we retrace here, I think I will I will took this the trade if we reach this. But yeah, after doing that, I was not because the news, this kind of news, and yeah, it wasn't obvious. A little bit tricky, you see. We took the high, we had the market structure shift, you see, and this was looking like a consolidation, you see. But yeah, yeah, maybe next time I will consider something like this. Uh, when price like have so much momentum, bearish momentum. So yeah, I'm actually not mad that I didn't rush to check this trade. It's normal. normal, not that big of a deal. Okay, okay. We have our break even here. Okay, it's a break even. Going to be a break even because like we can see, there is nothing price can go for. You see, there is this target, but it's very far. So we already took everything. You see. So yeah, okay. That's why price did what it did because yeah. Okay. I mean, it's good that I didn't take it because not enough RRs was gonna be just a break-even trade, most likely after we had this. So yeah, yeah, you could go. This can be a trade as well, going for the high, but nope, 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 nope. If you keep looking to the chart, you get all these ideas, these crazy ideas. Oh, we don't even have hawkish acquisition here. Yeah. Yeah, it's a break even. Okay, okay, 8 minutes left until I close this live stream. Okay. Break even trade. Pum parum. Pararapum. Yeah, today is just it's just not my day, and I know it, and I just didn't check anything, you see, because yes, why this is didn't hold. We waited for this, so everyone that's go by in uh, the beginning got stop out, you see, boom. And if you are smart and you said, okay, we are bearish, we are gonna bearish, and you took the sell here, uh, the sell here, and you didn't go break even, you're gonna get a stop loss most likely. And price form as well. Now bullish momentum. Are you gonna go bullish again? Are you willing to take out another stop loss? I don't know about that. But yeah, we could argue. Okay, we took this because I noticed the price do it a lot when we have this uh, 15-minute swing low, and even though we are bearish, very bearish, price like to sweep this, like we are having here, and go for whatever it want to go to. So yeah. Okay. You get hit back smooth. All right. Okay. Today was a win for me because uh, I should not be taking any trade, which I did. Yes. Uh, I don't see like a very good trade today. I till now even price did what it did. I don't see anything like that I miss on or whatever you see. So I believe I made the right decision today by calling it the day and just not stepping into the market. So yeah, we could argue, yeah, this, but I don't answer if there is no market structure shift. So even the here in the 1 minute, even this, in a million years I would never take this because no market structure shift, no nothing. We are bearish. Yes, we can argue we are trading the rejection, but it's stupid to trade the rejection. We want to follow the market. Trading the rejection, it's kind of a bad thing. Maybe if we are bullish and the price seeming so much bullishness, and like here, the buy made way more sense because it's the first time we are. Okay, what's happened to the camera? No, okay. Like I was saying is, uh, first time here, you see, because the first time we reached the daily swing low, you see. We could argue, okay, price maybe want to continue higher. Yes, that's good. But here, it's not the ideal idea because our bearish are showing so much bearish momentum. So going for a buy here, it does make no sense. Yes, this is a weekly swing low. Yes, we can argue that, but yeah, it's just not that not that clean, to be honest. So 2 minutes to go, and we're gonna close this live, guys. We have this 1 hour favorite gap. You see, uh, we could see something like this the next hour. Okay, maybe I'm wrong, and the price want to continue higher, and we see like a closer here or something. That's can be the case. But yeah, I was just rather not be part of that. That's all. Okay. It was a good live. Hope everyone enjoy it. So only 2 minutes left, guys, until we're gonna close. Okay. If you have any question, drop the question in the chat. And like, follow, guys, so we keep doing this live every day. Uh, uh, You've been hit back. Okay. All right. We have our new hour. That's it, guys. See you later. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow as well. We're not gonna change. It's not gonna be a live trading like always, because I want to get used to get into the market, look into the chart, and not taking any trades. Okay. Okay. We have this weird. Yes. Seems like price doesn't want to go for this. Want to go lower from this. Could be the case. But we're not interested in none of that. So yeah, see you guys to the next time.